Alright, so we went out and bought the shittiest paintless dent repair kit we could find on Amazon. Realized that it didn't have a light, so I had to buy a light separately. And so far that light has become the bane of my existence and I haven't even started. It has lost suction and fallen on my car about 3 times already. So hopefully we're good and planted now. We're going to learn. We've watched 3 videos on this. I'm sure we can be professionals overnight. So I got first dent's going to be right there. Ignore the scratches and the watermarks. The car is dirty. So I'm going to clean off the scratched area. Crappy microfiber here. Let's see. BB Kang. Not even BB King, it's BB Kang. Probably going to be the worst and messiest glue gun I've ever used. Let that warm up. I have a pile of glue here. Look at that. Black or yellow? Let's go start with the black. From what I've been reading, you don't need a whole lot of this stuff, so I'm going to cut this in half. If I can find something to do it with. That should do. Yeah. The other half back in here. And the other stuff I was seeing said that we need to put alcohol in here. 70%, should be close enough. Of course. Pour some out for the homies. My hand's gonna reek like frickin' alcohol. Okay, got that taken care of. So we got a couple different pullers. We got this guy here. Looks like he presses evenly. We got the fancy gun thing, and then we got a slide hammer that we probably won't use because slide hammers are scary. Let's see if our gun's heated up enough. Smoking. Maybe cutting the glue stick was a mistake. Oh, there we go. Just leave that there. So, we have a plethora of little nubby things. Let's see what we got here. Sure, these things are going to break and get lost like mad. You know, the blue ones with concentric circles, black ones with concentric circles, red ones. We're going to go with the blue ones. It'll be a very small one to start with. smallest one in there? Oh, here we go. Little bitty guys. That should be a good start. That goes there. All right. Let's see what we can do. Ball of glue. Okay. Of course, this is made for right-handed people. You only put it on that way. I don't really want to press on the face of the hood. That seems like it'd be a bad idea. Alright. I already see a problem. Little booty's falling off there. There we go. Couple squeezes. There it goes. Now, in theory, let's give this a little. Nope. Let's try the alcohol trick. Shit. There we go. Looks a little better. Let's try the hammer in this cat. Let's see. Wow, that's actually kind of working. Alright, let's try another pull. Wrong side, damn it. Some bitch. Put the stuff on the right side of it. Alright. Try this again. I don't think I let it sit long enough. Our glue is still gooey. Damn. Definitely need to get a better scraper. This thing is useless. There we go. Comes right off.